it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and today we're doing a workout, a chord workout. Yeah, why a chord workout today, Beat? Thanks for asking. This is Beat. Beat is here to help us learn the Loog together, and Beat keeps me on track in case I get a little off track. Let's get into our lesson. Today we're working on chords. More specifically, 4 chords that work really well together that can be played in many songs. Stay tuned because at the end I'm going to show you 5 to 10 songs that you can play right away using 4 chords. Here's the fun fact. You already know these chords. If you've been with Loog Nation, you've played these 4 chords before. I want to get good at changing the chords and changing the chords in tempo. In tempo. In tempo means on the beat, right? On the beat. So we're changing in a rhythm. So I'd be changing chords in the rhythm and getting better and better at changing in rhythm. I'll tell you this is the #1 problem that most players find is that their one hand, their strumming hand, the one that strums the strings, obvious name, goes faster than the hand that is on the fretboard or the fretting hand, right? The one that changes the chords. So we get frustrated because the 2 hands aren't working together. And that's the goal today, to get our hands working together. The fretting hand moving as quickly as the strumming hand wants it to go so we can change chords. Bam. Blam. Blam. I don't know. In tempo. Yeah. So let's do it. We have the key of G. This is a great example. G. And in the key of G, we have 4 chords that go really well together. We have G, E minor, we have C, and we have D. And we could play those chords in any order and they'd sound really nice together. G, D, E minor, and C. There's many pop rock songs that have been built off of these 4 chords. You might even hear it as you're practicing and be like, that reminds me of such and such song. You're probably right. The workout is this, being able to play in tempo, right? Steady and easy, and switching from one chord to the next. So we're going to start with just playing a G and holding it for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to change to a D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then an E minor. 2, 3, 4. And C. 2, 3. Back to G. 2, 3, 4. D. 2, 3, 4. E minor. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. So that's like a level 1 workout. Level 2 would be doing half notes or 2 beats for each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you're ready for an advanced version, I want to do 1 chord per beat, right? Or a quarter note chord change. Yeah, this is truly setting the stage for our growth as players. We're going to play like this. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. G, D, E minor, C. G, D, E minor, C. Now, you could see, sorry, pun intended, that is going to get more challenging if we want to go faster. Let's put on a metronome and see how fast it can get. We're back. And if you hear that clicking, that's a metronome being set at 100 beats per minute. Pretty moderate. not too fast. It's kind of in between a clock and twice as fast as a clock. A clock is 60 beats per minute. 60 seconds in a minute. Tick. So it's a little bit faster. Okay. So I'm going to play these chords one beat at a time, one changing each click. 1, 2, here we go. Yeah, it was actually kind of fast. So that was just 100 beats per minute. Let's do one at 60 beats per minute. All right, this is the ticking of a clock. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, here we go. So how did that go? That was 60 beats per minute. That could be pretty fast. That seems like a lot to do within one beat. G, D, E minor, C. And maybe that's just 40 beats per minute. Let's take a look here and see what that sounds like. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Notice that I'm just trying to play and change as the clicks are happening. The goal is to be able to change in tempo as we're playing, right? The muscle memory that we're developing is our fingers learning how to change as the beat is happening, and the two hands are working together. Yeah, high five. I don't know. As the bonus, I want to show you some songs that use these 4 chords in the order that we practiced. Okay, ready? Torn by Natalie Imbruglia. Nothing's right, I'm torn, I'm all out of shape. This is how I feel, I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm ready torn. Wagon Wheel by Old Crow Medicine Show. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel, rock me, mama, anyway. Justin Bieber's song, Love Yourself. Because if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Jar Hearts by Christina Perri. Well, who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back to me. Who do you think you are? Lady Gaga's Paparazzi. I'm your biggest fan. I follow you until you love me. Paparazzi. All right. So as you can see, these 4 chords can play a bunch of different songs, and perhaps you hear another song that you might know. And if you look it up, I'll bet you've got these 4 chords that you're playing: G, D, E minor, and C. And that's because they're all written and played in the same key. That's pretty exciting. We're unlocking a little bit of the magic of music. Yeah, the magic of music. I love that. That sounds great. I hope you're enjoying the magic of music too here at Loog Nation. If you are, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We're here every Thursday with a new lesson, songs, music lessons, and more. And if you like what's happening today, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you want to know more about how to practice or what to practice. This is one of the practices I use all the time with my private clients and my online students. You know, if you ever want an online lesson, I'm available. You could leave a comment below, or you could click the link in the description and it sends you straight to my LessonFace profile. I'm on LessonFace, which is an online platform that helps me connect with students across the world. I have students here in the US, across the US, that take lessons with me weekly. So if you're looking to get a more personalized and detailed lesson plan, why don't you connect with me and let's talk? I give away a free 15-minute lesson to anyone who wants to learn more and to have more one-on-one time learning the Loog or any 6-string, 5-string, 4-string instrument. I teach a lot of stringed instruments. I hope you all connect with me if you'd like to and check out the profile. Okay, I'll see you next time.